And so the question is, what do you think the people who put on these particular lenses see? Okay, so put on your lenses. What's life like for this person? Pink, rose-colored glasses. Nothing's bothering me, right? What do you think? Like, yeah, right? Like you immediately are like, I am wearing unicorn, rainbow, rose-colored glasses. How do you feel?
Fabulous.
Yeah, good. All right. So it's all, yeah. Just get the hippie chick thing going. I dig it. How about you? Would you put your glasses on? I'm curious. What do you see when you look at her? How do you think she's going to react to the world? What? Granny glasses. Okay, so how would someone wearing granny glasses see the world? What do you think?
Maybe a little reserved.
Reserved. Okay, good. Any other words for the granny glasses? Experience. Ooh, experience. Ooh, you look through really nice lenses, don't you? I like that. What else? Granny glasses. Intellectual. What else? Wisdom. Okay. Rigid. Cookies. Yeah. So looking at someone through granny glasses is tricky because it may depend on how you have interacted in previous times with someone of her generation. If she was perhaps more reserved and judgmental and had an opinion about the way you are living your life and the clothes you are wearing and the way you're raising your kids, you might not feel so great interacting with someone wearing granny glasses, right? So it also affects the way we look at someone. How do you think? How do you feel wearing your granny glasses? What does that do for you?
It makes me want to like cook things and feed people.
You have warm, happy granny feelings, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, what have we got here? What are we seeing here? What do you think? Scientific, scientist. A or B, right? And zeroing in. We're not looking at the balcony view of life with this person, right? We're looking at this, the details of it. Now, this is not a bad thing. We need people in the world who will look at it from a balcony view, and we also need people who will look at the details of things. How well, how well do you see out there right now?
Me?
Yeah.
I can't see anything.
No. But if I were to say, okay, like if we went real close up, you'd be able to see. I mean, we'd have to go real.
Oh yeah, now I can read. Perfect. It's upside down, but yeah.
Yeah, she knows it's upside down, right? Right? And so, yay for you for having a perspective that's really up close. But I wonder if sometimes it would do you well to have friends who do see a wide range of perspective. You would be a great partner with somebody who only sees the broad view, because you would be able to share something with them, right? Hey, would you do me a favor? Can you take off your glasses? Can you put, well, let's just turn you like this. Let's just go like this for just a second, and I'll hold this, okay? I'll get that on there. You hold the mic here. Okay, turn around. What are we thinking? How might somebody who is wearing these aviator, flying, everything is going fast, glasses, see the world? I'm so busy. I have so many things to do. I got to lock on these glasses because I am, I got to get the kid here. I got to go there. I got to do this. I got to do that. It could be a real busy person. How do you feel?
Cool.
Good. You're comfortable in your own skin. I dig it. Yeah. Well, you're kind of like locked and ready for whatever's coming at you. No bugs are going to get into your eyeballs, regardless of what you're doing, right?
Yep, I feel like I'm ready to go down the mountain.
Ah, good. I love that. The lenses through which we look at life determine not only how we see life, like are we coming at it from a playful perspective? Are we coming at it from a really serious analytical perspective? But it also determines how people see us sometimes. They look at our exterior and they say, this person's going to feel this way about that. And so we make assumptions about that, right? And it affects the way that we treat them, even when we say, hi, how are you today? Or how much time we give them, or how playful we interact with them. We assume. So, here is the exciting and the terrifying thing about those lenses. We can change them, but they will also change us. So the thing about brain neuroplasticity is that our brains are these incredible, beautiful machines. And they are set up to help us. So here's what that looks like in real time in a day-to-day life. Let's say you watch the news. You watch the news every night. And every night at about 18 minutes into the newscast, you feel kind of anxious and kind of icky and kind of worried. So then, a week goes by of watching the news, and maybe the next week, it doesn't take you 18 minutes before you feel anxious. Maybe it takes you 15 minutes. And then let's say another week goes by, and maybe it only takes you 12 minutes. And another week goes by, and maybe it only takes you 8 minutes before you're feeling anxious. Well, before you know it, just hearing the intro music to the newscast is going to make you anxious. I'm not saying don't watch news, hide your head in the sand. I'm saying be very, very careful and pay attention to what you're thinking. Pay attention to the thoughts that you allow into your brain. So I think if there is one thing that you take away before you fall asleep, it's this. Think about what you're thinking about. This is the first, biggest, and most important thing that you can do to bring yourself into a place of mental and physical wellness. Think about what you're thinking about.